Hello guys, Grutzy, welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. So guys, we're going to unbox the newly dish from Decathlon, Switzerland guys. This is a set of camping table with 4 chairs, stool. So guys, now we are documenting this guys so that we can see the real quality how it is.
Genau. So, open. Zack, zack.
Because this one when we bought, we don't open from the shop. So if there's something wrong with this, we can return and change the best quality.
So.
So that is a chair, stool of Deutsch, stool, there's stool. So, sit down.
Test.
So, what you think? That's good quality?
Yes.
Okay, next. One down.
No.
That is good quality.
So, next.
We choose
Again,
this one
chair.
because it's compact. So when we go for camping, for picnic, it's easy and lighter weight. Yeah. So our visitors must not be really fat, huh?
It's not possible. Well, otherwise have to sitting on the floor, huh? On the ground.
Yeah.
So,
So if they are fat, we advise them, they must bring their own chair.
oh, that's nice.
Because we only have compact. How about this one, Shots? Finish this first. So, this is petrol blue color. There is petrol, my goodness. How about crudo? What's the color of crudo?
Toto. I don't understand.
It's the same, petrol. Crudo in Filipino, Shots.
Ah,
Yeah, petrol. The name of this brand is Chuchua. Sounds China.
sounds China. Testa auch noch wieder.
Good.
Bis jetzt schon, ja.
So we unpack this one. So when we go for camping next few
We are
days, we are ready, and then the plastic is out.
Genau.
Yeah.
So, we have no.
I do this video because last time when we went to the shop, they charged us another items, and when we arrive here, we don't have that items. We was in hurry because we are hungry. It's more than 12 noon. So
Maybe das lassen wir drin.
and according to the cashier there, they're using Bluetooth for their cashier. So when somebody will pass in the cashier, and then the items get scanned already by Bluetooth. That's why we have accident. So guys, I advise you guys, when you do shopping, you have to check, because some items that you don't buy, it's there. So check the items how many you have. And actually we don't really have that one. So now, of course, we don't agree that they just give us only a smile. We waste our time, we waste parking, we waste our petrol. So they have to give something for us. So now we are assembling the table. So you see, this is the garterized to hold up the chair.
Here also fix.
And there, you see guys, I will show you guys
Here fix.
here to fix
Both side.
both sides so will not fall down.
Make also the table high.
Oh, you see. So here there is like in the umbrella to hold. Now lift it up, baby. Langsam. Okay. Richard, go up. Maybe we put the lechon here, and the lechon is 50 kilos.
So you are finished.
So, how was it? Good quality, stable.
Yeah.
Oh, see guys, this one is the holder. So when you dismantle this one, it's like a bag.
Yeah.
So according to my husband, it's good quality, stable, foldable, and light. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please like and share. So Decathlon, Switzerland, St. Gallen, good service for this time. Okay guys, thank you Decathlon for giving us, what is that, Chaps?
Camping chair.
9,
A table.
the 20 franken.
Gutschein.
They give us good shine. Voucher for the next shopping because they made a mistake to charge us extra. Okay guys, thank you.